There, how are we? How are you doing? I'm Jashin Kapani. We are at exactly 2 p.m. by the watch on a Friday. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And as you can see, it's a bright and sunny day and stuff, and it's good fun. And I'm doing as usual, enjoying a kick-ass cup of black coffee. A lot of reasons. Of course, nappuccino is something which I've already explained. Having a nap before working out or exercising, that really helps. Keeping you alert and everything, driving the blues away, keeping you active. It's got a good influence on your liver and everything. And a lot of other, issues can be combated by having coffee. It's to each one his own. A lot of people don't believe in it, but you can research it. International researchers say that just like alcohol, if you have controlled coffee, not more than a few cups and stuff, it's good. And of course, in alcohol's case, it's again, there's no definition of moderation. To each one his own, but not drinking is also a good idea. So, what is the share about? The share is actually about self care and maintenance and stuff. So, forced rest, slowing down, has helped me in a way. I'm not the kind of person to be normally at home and stuff, but well, tough luck because of the weather and the health concerns and everything. Most of us have been indoors, and now as the spring is in and summers are going to be here, most of us are spending our time out and stuff. So there are these trending fashion tips that I have for you, not related to home and office decor and stuff, because you may have a good home and office decor and stuff, but if you don't feel good and you don't look good and you don't keep up with some amazing self love and looking after yourself and stuff, no matter how beautiful your space is, no matter how amazing it is, at times you're not going to feel good. So there is this thing about getting up and dressing up and showing up. It's true. You the moment you have a wash and you have a bath and you kind of had your breakfast and stuff, you start feeling good and stuff. So the basics are really very important. So I'm extending my share on self maintenance, which a lot of girls and women forget, and even men and boys must keep in mind. Okay, you don't have to necessarily be a Gen Z or a Gen Z or whatever. Self care is something which everybody must do and take care of themselves. And looking at you, other people should also get inspired. If you feel that the fashion quotient or the statement of other people around you is coming down, you have to kind of bring them back in control to dressing up and taking care and stuff. So a lot of people share these borrowed quotes that dressing up makes no sense and you're being judged for your clothes and your looks and stuff like that. That's partly correct, but the point is, it's not all correct. And the thing is this, that you have to take care of yourself. Fashion is incredible. You have fashion shows, you have thought shares, you have personality management, you have trends and everything happening. So it's not always in a negative connotation that people are judging stuff. You have to dress up. There's something known as taking care of yourself, going in for fashion, your nails, your hair, your skin, your eyes, your lipstick, your shoes, your inner stuff, the lingerie and stuff. For men, it's something else. But the point is this: you have to take care of all of this, because the moment you dress up and the moment you step out, you start feeling good yourself and stuff. And if you're not feeling that great, somebody compliments you, your day is made. So I'm coming with an example that I was at the golf club a few days back, and I saw this lady. She was extremely well dressed and stuff. Nobody seemed to be complimenting her. I was sitting there and having my lunch and stuff, and she was walking across me, so I complimented her. So I think her day was made. And the feedback was, nobody noticed this. I said, yes, but I noticed it, because you're wearing a Will's Lifestyle shirt and a pant and stuff. We got cracking and we talked about the fashion in the world and stuff like that. Retail and other chat and a discussion, So trends and everything important. You got to have a style statement of your own and stuff. Why are you so influenced and impacted by celebrities or musicians and artists and TV people? It's not because of just the way they act, it's also the way they dress up and they look and stuff, and they left an impression on you as well. So also in your family there's a certain way of dressing up, and if you've had international education or national education, you have a style statement of your own and stuff, so that's why we are so enamored by it, because we've grown up watching those, and those are imprinted, and we don't have to let go of the good habits and the good stuff, and there is no pressure. There is nothing so serious about dressing up. If on certain days you're not feeling good, you don't have to, but on the whole you have to hit back and get back, okay? So follow reel 2.